let's take a look at some techniques for the arms. So as you apply your lubricant, obviously you may use some nice long gliding or effleurage strokes. You can also use petrissage strokes and work the tissue that way. But one of my favorites is to lift the arm off the table and to just do a modified pin and stretch where I'm really stretching the muscles as I use my thumb to work the lengths of the muscles or to work the edges of the muscles. So in this case I'm using my thumb, but another nice technique is to ask her to just flex and extend her wrist. There, that's good, Taffy. And keep going back and forth like you're waving. While I use both hands to work down the forearm muscles on either side. I'm getting both the flexors and the extensors.
Now let's take a look at some moves that you can do for the posterior arm while your client is supine. So go ahead and do a nice little gentle handshake technique, a little bit of rocking to get them up into this position. I like to then take the bottom sheet and drape it over so when I brace with my upper leg, there's the sheet in between their skin and my body. And a secret tip, if you're using a bottom sheet that has the elastic around the corners, it comes up and holds the arm perfectly all on its own. But from here, what you'll do is you can come in, introduce some pec moves, but they come down and you can really get some great tricep petrissage with the arm in this position. And so you can really get a nice kneading motion to work that musculature, and then you can easily transition to having their arm just draped a little bit over their head, supporting at the elbow, and do some great work this way. Switching hands, you can get down a little bit further, even thumb over thumb as you come down the triceps, and then just gently supporting the arm as you return it to their side. And remember, anything you do with the anterior arm, you can also do the same techniques on the posterior arm. So it's a great opportunity for some open C, close C. You can even drape the arm over the edge of the table, open C, close C, and techniques down the forearm and hands as well. Get creative. There's a lot of opportunity for some really fun and effective techniques.